We understand that when these incidents, even if there's something that cannot be prosecuted, we understand that these affect an entire community.
As reports of possible hate crimes rise around the country, the FBI is urging victims to come forward. Federal and local law enforcement want to make sure people aren't afraid to report what's happening.
And it comes as we see more hate crime reports right here in Utah. News specialist Mike Anderson has a look at how officers are pursuing these sensitive cases. Mike.
Yeah, even though they don't have specific numbers right now, Utah's FBI office say they at least anecdotally have seen an increase in the number of hate crimes being reported. And even though it may be hard to know if they'll be prosecuted as such, they'd still like a chance to look into those cases.
Take a look at our recent news coverage, and it appears there has been at least a slight increase in the number of potential hate crimes being reported. Law enforcement is noticing it too.
I just know nationally there is an uptick that, personally we have seen just with our own handling of these cases, that we are seeing more reporting of it.
More reporting, says Supervisory Special Agent Dustin Grant, though the FBI does not have specific numbers right now. But as he points out, there is an agency-wide outreach to people who might be experiencing hate.
So we're doing efforts to push and educate that you can, report anonymously. You can also have people report on your behalf. Sometimes we get, cases or referrals from the media or groups that represent these individuals.
We've seen examples just this week. Swastikas and disparaging messages spray painted over a Black Lives Matter sign at a parking stall. Or this man that Cottonwood Heights police say they now have in custody, who's accused of threatening violence against Asian business owners.
Fundamentally, there's 3 victims whenever there's a hate crime in our community.
Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill says hate crimes leave a wide impact.
The person who the crime happens against, they're immediately targeted. The community that person belongs to, it sends a chilling effect.
And when those attacked don't find justice, he says, we fail as a community.
And that's really what makes hate crime really insidious.
Adding to the reasons why law enforcement is asking people to come forward.
And the FBI does have a website and hotline where potential hate crimes can be reported, even sometimes anonymously. We'll post a link with that information on our website, KSLTV.com. Mike Anderson, KSL 5 News.